What is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to Python's synchronization primitives. So Python synchronization primitives coordinate access to shared resources, preventing race conditions in multi-threaded applications. So these tools actually work with both the threading module and async IO, helping developers control execution flow and build robust concurrent programs. So there's a proper synchronization. If proper synchronization is in place, it prevents data corruption and deadlocks in parallel processing environments. So what are the key synchronization primitives in Python? We have the lock, RLock, and Semaphore. For the lock, there's a basic exclusion mechanism allowing only one thread access at a time to protect shared resources. There is also the RLock, which is Reentrant lock, which permits same thread to acquire multiple times without deadlocking, and it's ideal for recursive functions. There's also Semaphore. With Semaphore, with this, there's counter limiting concurrent thread access to manage resource pool. So in the case of events, there is signal mechanism where threads wait until another thread triggers the event. On the case of condition, it combines lock with waiting functionality for complex thread coordination. And then the barrier forces threads to wait until a specified number reach the barrier point. So that's it for Python's synchronization primitives. If you do not understand anything about this topic, do well to post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching once again. Let's get straight to the next video.